Oh hey, I didn't see you there. Hey guys, it's Not a Mercenary, and if I sound a little hoarse, it's because I just woke up and I'm still a little bit out of it, but it is my off day from work, so I thought I would bring you another video. So today, in this video, I'm going to show you a sort of like goth, kawaii inspired makeup, hence the kawaii little wig. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So this is a little backwards, but I'm going to start with foundation first, and this is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation, and I'm going to be using a shade lighter than my skin. I didn't buy this specifically for this tutorial, I just accidentally got the wrong color. But this is the color 110 Porcelain, and I'm just going to sort of pin my bangs out of the way. I look like a little kid. I do admit I am a little bit afraid of myself because this is so white. But I mean, apparently in Asian makeup they like white skin, so this is Asian inspired, so I guess I'm fitting right in. Okay, and now I'm going to do the brows. Now instead of an arch, I'm going to go for a more straight and shorter brow. I think it'll look more cutesy. I'm going to take the color Heartbreak from the Aphrodite palette, which is a dupe for a Huda Beauty palette, and I'm just going to softly fill in a straight and small eyebrow. Okay, I lied, that's not really straight, but you get the point. Okay, so now that these very creative brows are done, let's go ahead and work on the eyes. So first, on my middle finger, I'm going to go into this color called Passion from the Aphrodite palette, and I'm going to lightly press that on my lid closer to my lash line. And then I'm going to take a blending brush and just tap into the color like once or twice and then sort of diffuse it outwards. I think this definitely would be a good look for Halloween. It's definitely a little scary, definitely a little creepy. And honestly, I'm so ready for Halloween. I'm so ready for fall. I live in Texas, so the heat is just killing me. It's literally like 100 degrees every single day, and I'm ready for that fall weather. Okay, and now I'm going to work on the bottom lid, if that's what it's called. I'm going to take my finger, and I'm going to go into this color called Powder Room from the After Hours palette. And I'm going to just go under my lid. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with my AOA Studio 124 brush, and I'm going to dip in the color Lustful from the After Hours palette. Okay, that's really scary. Hold on. We gotta fix this one. Alright, and now I'm going to go in with this Amuse Cosmetics liquid liner from shopmissa.com. Now everything that I'm using is from shopmissa.com, and if it's from shopmissa, y'all know it's $1, except for a couple things. Like the eyeshadow palettes are from shophush.com, which is like a dupe sort of place where you can find dupes for really expensive eyeshadow palettes, and of course this is from the drugstore. It's not from shopmissa. Alright, and now I'm just going to add a little bit of this Amuse Cosmetics Pro Big Mega Lash mascara. I'm going to add that to my top and bottom lashes. With this sort of, it doesn't have a name on it, but it's like a cream blush. And so I'm going to get a little bit on my finger. Well, not a little bit, that's a lot. I'm going to put it up here, sort of by my cheekbone and my eye, and sort of work around in patting motions. That looks like a rash. I'm going to take my beauty sponge and try to blend it out. And I'm debating on what to do for my lips. Like, I don't know if I should put on like a matte liquid lip, even put some on at all, if I should go with a more like lip tint. But I feel like everyone does like a lip tint or like an ombre red lip. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this. And if I hate it, I'm just gonna take it off and start over. This is the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit Lipstick in the color Caramel Cafe. What I did is I just put the lipstick on the ends, like on the more inner part of my lips, and then I pressed them together and I sort of blended them out so it looks kind of like creepy, kind of like death-like, I guess. And now I'm going to take some of this LOL blush. It doesn't have a name to it, it's just this pink blush. I'm going to take an AOA Studio F14 brush and dip into both shades and sort of just pat it into where we put that blush earlier. I also think I want to add some lip gloss, so I'm just going to take this clear lip gloss and put it on my lips. And now for the final step, false lashes. So these are the Cara eyelashes, which I also got on shopmissa.com, and they're in the style S7. I feel like this was a really short, chill like makeup look, and I didn't really talk much. I didn't really share any stories because I kind of just woke up and I don't know, I feel really out of it. Like my hands are shaky and like I just I don't know, but I knew I wanted to film a video, so I did it, and I hope you guys like it. This is sort of different from what I usually do. I did do a kawaii makeup look for like back to school, like I don't know, maybe like a week ago, and it got a lot of traction, so I thought, you know, I should do another kawaii look. Also guys, if you're new here, hi, nice to meet you. I'm not a mercenary. And also make sure you leave a comment down below about what you would like to see next, because I have gotten video requests in the past and I do all of them. I love them so much. And if you guys are waiting on that tutorial where I follow a James Charles makeup tutorial, don't worry, it's still coming. I just have to find a way to do it because it's going to be a little challenging. And I say that it's going to be challenging because I'm going to have to screen record James Charles' video, and then I'm also going to have to play his video on a computer screen next to me while I'm filming with my phone, because I use my phone to film because I don't have a camera. Who has money for that? Not me. So yeah, but expect it though. I should be doing it pretty soon. Alright guys, so this is the final look, and also I am wearing circle lenses. I got these from my local Sam's Dollar store, and it's kind of a shady store, and you're not really allowed to sell like contacts without prescription, but they do, so I kind of got lucky and I was able to get some. But if you do try to order some online, you do have to have a prescription. You don't have to have bad eyesight, you just need to go to an optometrist and have them like measure your eyes and stuff like that. But yeah, this is the final look. So yeah, that was it for this video. Make sure you like this video so that it gets more shared around. Make sure you comment telling me what you want to see next, and make sure you subscribe to see more of my latest content. I post usually around 3 times a week. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.